Hello again, welcome to the Mastercam course. In that lecture we're going to talk about dynamic toolpath. Of course, before that I need to turn to machine section, lathe operation and default options. And then actually to use the dynamics toolpath in Mastercam you need to create your setup. I'm gonna hit the stock setup properties and I'm gonna select the cylinder and make from the 2 points option and starting from here to here. And then hit the OK button. And then I can turn to right mouse button and the lathe toolpaths and dynamic rough toolpath. Okay, after that I need to select my cutting area starting from here to here and hit the OK button. And then actually you need to select your tool. When I am selecting my tool, I'm gonna and actually double click on this one. And then I need to select that kind of tool for this case. And then I need to write my tool number and then my feed rate and my constant cutting speed. It can be 200 and maximum spindle speed, of course it can be like this. Okay, this is the first page. Then I need to turn to dynamic rough parameters. When I'm looking at the dynamic rough parameters and we're gonna see the some step over options here and the toolpath reduce options here. We can also see the stock to leave on the x-axis and stock to leave on the z-axis. And then we can decide the zigzag method or one-way method. I'm gonna turn to lead in options. This is gonna be my lead in. And that's also gonna be my lead out options. Okay, and when I am turned to plunge parameters, is already active right now. And because of the default settings for dynamic toolpath. And then we're gonna see our solution. Yes, perfect. This is my actually dynamic toolpath. We're gonna see the sum and the dynamics movement here to help us to organize it. Okay, so let me simulate this one. Yeah, this is going to be my tool. Actually we can change our tool setups. Maybe we can turn here, we can turn to the tool parameters, and this is going to be my radius. Actually we can also change my radius. For example, it can be 3 mm radius. This is the B parameters. Actually we can change that. It's a B, can be 3. When I am turned to A parameters, it can be 2. C can be 15 mm. And then actually we can recalculate our toolpath according to my tool radius, of course, and my toolpath is also gonna change. Okay, as you can see here, it is changed automatically. When I am looking at my toolpath, we're gonna see the sum and the sum error here, but that's not error. You need to turn back to your parameter setup like this one, and you can organize your compensation. It can be like this or like this, it's not matter. We can turn to here to change that as a 2 mm, as a E it can be 1, It can be like this. Let me calculate it. And then we're gonna see our solution. So yeah, of course, when you turn to your CNC, you also need to change your the tool compensation type according to the Mastercam, of course, and the both of them must be same. Okay, this one is quite important. And that's it. This is the dynamic roughing process for actually Mastercam. Okay, we can also create some actually finishing process for that stuff. It's also possible to organize it. Okay, thank you very much.